Sorry, yeah.
Good girl.
You're going to walk to Mummy. You're such a clever girl. So we go back to Daddy. Ready, ready, go. Turn around. No, 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 no. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Ready, steady. That's cheating. That's cheating. Ready. Hermione, Hermione, come to Mummy. Gonna walk to Mummy. Come on, ready, steady. Oh, we fell over Daddy's foot. It's a bit big, isn't it? Stand up. Hermione, Hermione, let's go. And shall we walk? Let's go. Yay! You're gonna come back to Mummy. It's a very long way now. Well done, Hermione. And now, ready? Say hello, Grandma. I'm coming now.
Hello, Grandmas. I'm walking.
Hermione, Hermione, back to Mummy. Back to Mummy. Pop, this has fallen over Daddy's feet again. Oh no, Daddy, she was standing up herself then.